Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to see how to make this Lion King patches. So let's get started. So begin with a magic loop and chain 1. Now perform 10 single crochet into the loop. For beginners, the magic loop tutorial link is given in the description. If not, check the iCard. Once done with all the 10 single crochet, close the magic loop and slip stitch into the first stitch. This is considered as a foundation circle. Now for each stitch we have to perform 2 single crochet, that is increasing the number of stitches. For each stitch we have to perform 2 single stitches. Just watch carefully. Once completed, this is considered as a second row. We have to make a slip stitch into the first stitch. See, that's the slip stitch. Moving on to the third row, we have to perform a slip stitch from behind the stitches. This gives the detailing to the project. We have to insert the hook from the behind of each stitch, grab the yarn and perform a slip stitch. Look, have a closer look now. Insert the hook from behind through the stitch, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Repeat the process throughout the circle. At the end, make a slip stitch into the first stitch of the row 3 to finish it. Here, this is the last slip stitch we are going to perform. This gives the face of the lion. Now we are going to change the color and work for the lion mane. That's the lion hair. So taking this dark brown color, change the thread. Now to get the texture, what we are going to do is chain 4, 3 and that's chain 4 and slip stitch into the top row, that is third row. Continue this pattern of chain 4 and slip stitch into the next stitch. This gives the texture of the lion mane. It almost came to an end now. So just make a slip stitch, make a end knot, that's chain 1 and cut the excess threads. This forms a knot. Cut this orange thread as well. So now the base of our Lion King is ready. See the texture which we have done now. Let's start working for the ears of our lion. I'm taking a green color yarn. insert the hook into the second row top. Now grab the yarn and make chain 3. We are using 2 stitches for 1 ear, so making a half double stitch now. Now yarn over and do another half double in the next stitch. So after this half double, there are going to be 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. To finish the ear, chain 3 and slip stitch into the same stitch, the second stitch. This forms a ear. Now chain 1 and cut the thread. So this completes 1 ear, and leaving the 2 chains in the middle, going into the next stitch, insert the hook, get the thread and 3 chains, half double in the first stitch and another half double in the second stitch. Now chain 3 and finishing the ear. I'm just taking this excess tails behind the ear so that I can manage them at the end. It's time to accessorize it with eyes and nose. I'm using glue and kundans to stick them. Once the eyes are done, I'm taking the smaller size kundan for its nose. Let that dry before you do any other thing. Now managing the ends. Meanwhile, if any one of you are watching my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. It's almost done now. Next we are going to work on the mouth and nose. So I'm taking a needle with a black thread of 2 strands and add detailing to the project. So finally making an end knot, cut the excess thread. You can use this as an attachment for any of your crochet projects like hat or a coat. You can gift them to your loved ones by making it as a keychain or as a Rakhi to your brothers. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Hook and knots. Hit the bell icon to get the notifications.